Okay guys, this is a quick video. Pulling a radiator out of an 07 Cadillac SRX with the Northstar. It is a hell of an ordeal, and there's nobody online apparently got enough balls to fucking do it. Excuse my language. Had to take the radiator out because the nipple right here that goes to this little hose right here broke, and all I did was just gently touch it because I was just moving the hose away because we're doing an alternator on this car. Well, to get the radiator out, you've got a bunch of bolts to pull. You've got your 2 bolts up on each side for your top. Then you've got 4 bolts that attach the AC condenser to the front of it. Those bolts are these big black bolts, right, that go in these bolt holes here. There's one there, and there's one down there, and then there's the same on the other side. Oh, and then when you think you got all that done, it gets better, because wedged in between that is this thing. This is your trans cooler. Okay, this trans cooler is also bolted to your radiator. There, there, and down there. How they relate on the radiator, by the way, you've got cooling fans too. I already took the cooling fans off because you have to change the alternator on this vehicle. These bolt holes right here on each side, those hold your trans cooler, and these top holes right there, down there, over there, up there, those are the ones that hold your air conditioning condenser to the radiator. Once you get all that done, you've got a ton of these damn things to pull out right here. Now, if you want to cut them, if you've got extras, did like I did, went to Harbor Freight, bought the big kit that's got all the replacements in it, you go ahead and cut them suckers out. It'll be to your benefit. And then when you get your radiator out, any bolts you lost are going to fall down inside that pan down there. So just scoop up your bolts, clean up your area, put your new radiator in. Now, normally I would suggest that you put these sides back on because they help with the flow of air into the radiator. But for some reason, if your car doesn't have the ability for you to do that, don't worry about it. But anyway, that's what you got to do. So you watch the other videos that show you how to get the cooling fan out, which is actually pretty simple compared to this. And then once you get the cooling fans out, then you can go after this. Now, there might be a way, I don't know. The way this moves around in here, I don't know. You might be able to get the sides pulled off and then pull the radiator back and get the trans cooler off. If you're able to do that, kudos, because I couldn't. So this is what you're looking at, getting a radiator out of an 07 SRX. If this is helpful, let me know. We'll see you next time.